Hello guys. Today we will learn about the moon. So in last video we have discussed about the planets, continents and many other things. So now we will discuss about the moon, means our satellite. Now one earth has on our earth has only one satellite, that is the moon. Its diameter is only 1/4 that of the earth. It appears so big because it is nearest to our planet than other celestial body. It is about 384,400 kilometers away from us. Now you can compare the distance of the earth from the sun and that from the moon. So if you will now we are discussing about the moon. Our moon is it is a one natural satellite. Its diameter is only 1/4 of the earth. It appears so big because if it is near from us. I have also explained that if anything is far away from us, then it appears small, and if anything is it is near to us, means it will appear so much big. Like if you will comparison the distance of the sun and the moon, then sun is looking smaller than the moon. Why? Because it is 150 million kilometers away from us, and it is too much distance. And if you will compare to the to 384,400 kilometers, then it is actually more than the moon distance. So the moon look bigger than the sun. The moon moves around the earth in about 27 days. It takes exactly the same time to complete one spin. As a result, only one side of the moon is visible to us on the earth. So now it is telling about the rotation and the revolution of the earth. To complete a full round, means a full revolution, it takes 27 days, and for a rotation it is similar to the earth. It takes 24 hours, and backside of the moon is not visible due to rotation and revolution. We cannot never see it on the earth. Now the moon does not have conditions variable for life. It has neither water nor air. It has mountains. So our moon do not have any type of atmosphere, or it do not have any kind water or any kind of any evidence or any conditions that the life can form there. But it is very important for our earth because it is a satellite of our earth, and it has mountains also. Now we will learn about asteroids and meteoroids. Planes and deserts of its surface, these cast shadow on the moon as moon surface. Look at the full moon and observe these shadows. So you will notice that in every day the shape of the moon get always it is not similar every day. It is getting another day another size, another day another shape. Why? Because it is due to rotation. Of the rotation and revolution, we cannot see it. Only one time we can see the full moon and the new moon. So new moon is called the Amavasya, where we cannot see the moon because it is the new moon day. And the full moon day means you can see the full moon clearly. That is called the Purnima. And these 2 days only come in 1 month, one only time. So now we will discuss about the asteroid and meteoroid. So apart from the stars, planet and the satellite, there are numerous tiny bodies which also move around the sun. These bodies are called asteroids. They are found between the orbit of Mars and Jupiter. Scientists are of the view that asteroids are the part of this planet which exploded many years back. So now, what are the asteroids? Asteroid, you can see this imagine clearly. Asteroid means apart from the stars, planets and satellite. It can numerous celestial bodies of part. When sometimes a big explosion gone in the space, so that time many small tiny celestial bodies clubbed together, and they connected into a tiny rocks. That rocks are called the asteroids. They explode many years back, and we know that an important fact about asteroid, that asteroid are only found between the Mars and the Jupiter's orbit. You will see I am showing you a figure of asteroid belt. You can see there that there are asteroid belt. So here you can see this is the sun and the Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. And between the Mars and Jupiter, you can see there is an asteroid belt. So this asteroid belt tell us these are the small rocks that were exploded many years back. And if scientists will study about it, then we can know that how million years ago, what was there in the solar system, how our planet came from, how our solar system was made. So these all things, if we will study the asteroids, then we can find many things of our past, that what was in the solar system. So now we will go that page similarly. Now we will come towards meteoroids. The small pieces of rocks which move around the sun are called meteors. Sometimes these meteors come near the earth and tend to drop upon it. During this process, due to friction with the air, they get heated up and burned. So now meteoroids are not similar to the asteroid. They are small rocks that came from the outer space or other celestial bodies. So these are the small pieces of rocks that are called the meteoroid. Sometimes they have their own orbit, and they just go here and there. They float in the space everywhere. Sometimes the group of meteoroid or 1-2 meteoroid come and hit our earth. That can cause a more damage. But the small pieces of meteoroid, when they enter in our atmosphere, they burn that time, and they create a heat and a flash of light that in the scene, if you will see, then it looks so bright and so beautiful. Due to friction with the air, they get heated up and burned. It causes a flash of light. It causes a flash of light that in scene you will see that a flash of light is coming towards. Sometime a meteor, without being completely burned, falls on the earth and create a hollow. Sometimes the meteorites come into our atmosphere and not completely burned. So that time the condition is seriously, because they drop on the earth and make a big hollow hole. Do you see a white broad band like a white glowing path across the sky on the clear stage night? It is question of the cluster of million of stars. Now, what are the clusters? Cluster are the group of galaxies together. This band is Milky Way galaxy. Figure our solar system is a part of river of lights flowing in the sky. First, it was named Akash Ganga. A galaxy is a huge system of billion of such galaxies that are made a universe. Now, in early time, like rivers, we know usually that rivers has water, but in the sky people imagine that it is a flow, it is a river of lights, so they gave them name Akash Ganga. A galaxy is a huge system of million billion and clouds of dust and gases. There are millions of such galaxies that make a universe. It is difficult to imagine how big the universe is. Scientists are still trying to find out more and more about it. We are not create about its size, but we know that all of us, you and I, belong to this universe. We do not know the exact size of the universe, but we know that we are the part. I, you who are listening me, we all are the part of that universe of the earth. So we are the part of the universe. So now we will come towards exercise. Take the correct answers. The planet known as Earth's twin is what was the planet that is Earth's twin? Venus. Because Venus' size and shape is similar to the Earth, so we called it Earth's twin. So its answer is Venus. Now second question, which is the third nearest planet to the sun? First is Mercury, second is Venus, and third is Earth. Means the third planet nearest to the sun is our Earth. All the planets move around the sun in a dash way. So which path they rotate? This is called the allegorical path. Now, the pole star indicate the direction of the dash. Pole star is also known as the North Star, and it indicates the direction north. So, the answer is north. Now, asteroids are found between the orbit of dash. Saturn and Jupiter, Mars and Jupiter, the Earth and Mars. The correct answer is Mars and Jupiter. To learn this, I have an easy way. We know that there are 8 planets. So 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. Means 4 plus 4 is forming 8. So the first 4 planets are rocky planet, and another 4 planets are gases, made with gases. So between the last rocky planet and first gaseous planet, between them the asteroid belt is. So from this method you can learn that where the asteroid belt is located. So the correct answer is Mars and Jupiter. Now Phillips. A group of star dash forming various patterns is called a group of dash. Form a dash. Group of stars forming various patterns is called constellations. Many stars make a pattern or shape that are called constellations. Now, a huge system of stars is called dash. A huge system of stars called dash. It is galaxy. Huge stars, huge solar system, huge every celestial body together make a galaxy. And many galaxies makes the cluster, and many cluster makes universe. Dash is the third nearest planet to the sun. What is the nearest planet to the sun? Third nearest planet. First is Mercury, first nearest planet. Second is Jupiter, second nearest planet, and third is our Earth. Means third nearest planet. Means the answer is Earth. Now last question is, planets do not have their own heat and do not have their dash and dash. sun has their own heat and light, but planets do not have their own heat and light. So the answer is heat and light. So this was the chapter. If you like my video, then please like this video, and if you are new in my channel, then please subscribe my video and get the notification bell. Thank you.